G'day guys, so I'm going to do a quick review on this clamp meter here. It's a Digitech QM1561. It's nice, lightweight and quite small compared to most meters, and it is a favourite of mine because it fits in my tool belt perfectly. There's my wee tool belt here. She just jams in there, and then these leads just wrap around the top there. So it's awesome in that sense. The only problem that I've got with this meter, and it's a major, is it does give out false AC readings. I'll show you a quick clip of it when it's reading false AC voltages. Main switch, 4 volts. So when it first started reading false voltages, I thought that maybe it was a battery problem. I replaced the batteries. There was no low battery symbol or anything, but it's got brand new batteries in it now and it's still doing it. So yeah, I'm largely disappointed in it, and I will be taking it back as it's only a year old. It has been playing up now for 2 months, so on and off, you know. Sometimes it works completely fine, but other times it's reading 4 or 6 volts when I know it's live at 230 volts. So the guys at JK were awesome when I returned it. Gave me a new meter here, and they said that even though I brought that meter last year in 2017, that range has been discontinued, so they've replaced it with these ones, which are slightly different. I think this one's got a few more functions on it, but yeah, I'll check this one out over the next few months and I'll do an update on it and let you know how it's going.